सरकारान शेतकामां तडीक लावंक राष्ट्रीय शेती उदरगत येवजणेखाला 2 कोटींचो प्रकल्प हातात घेतला। प्रकल्पाखाला बांद बांदून खाजन शेतां जाग्यार हाडटले। मंत्रिमंडळाच्या बसके उपरांत मुख्यमंत्र्यान मिडियाक सांगले, सरकारान ममता येवजण बदलल्या। येवजणेखाला आतां 5 पावड्यांचेर चली भुरग्याक पैसे मेळटले। सोशल वर्क, होम सायन्स सारकेल्या वाठारांनी पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएट विद्यार्थ्यांक इंटर्नशिपीची सरकारान येवजण केल्या।
आमी प्रोजेक्ट घेतला स्ट्रेंथनिंग ऑफ बंड्स, डिसल्टिंग ऑफ पॉन्ड्स, फार्म रोड्स आणि प्रोटेक्टिंग खजान लँड्स अंडर राष्ट्रीय कृषी विकास योजना. Our state has over 18,000 hectares under Khazan and most of which has been abandoned. पहिल्या स्टेजीन we have identified 38 number of bunds, 38 numbers, covering the length of 85 kilometers and would protect 4,500 hectares of Khazan land initially. And total Khazan land under saline water as on the day is 18,000 hectares in Goa. आम्ही हाचे बरोबर टेनन्सी बरोबर जे कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट फार्मिंग हाडलेले आणि ताचो गैरसमज जाय ते आम्ही जे काढून उडयले ते इंडिपेंडंट कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट फार्मिंगाचे बिल हाडचे हाडटले केवळ चलयेक जन्म दिलो इतलोच न्हय तर त्या चलयेचे बरे संगोपन जावचे रितीन, त्याचे बरे शिक्षण जावचे, त्याचेर बरे संस्कार येवचे म्हणून ती स्कीम आम्ही एक्सटेंड करून 5,000 दिवप एट द टाइम ऑफ बर्थ, मागीर 5,000 दिवप ऑन प्रोडक्शन ऑफ अ डॉक्युमेंट टू शो दॅट शी इज फुल्ली इम्युनाइज्ड, 5,000 दुसरे मेळटले. तिसरे 5,000 आफ्टर द गर्ल कंप्लीट्स हर SSC एड्युकेशन. चौथे 5,000 आफ्टर द गर्ल कंप्लीट्स हर हायर सेकंडरी एड्युकेशन आणि पांचवे 5,000 आफ्टर द गर्ल completes her degree. We are providing internship scheme for students working in completing post graduation in psychology, social work, या सगळ्या सब्जेक्टांत, काउन्सिलिंग, होम सायन्स, हय पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएशन. and we are providing a stipend of 10,000 rupees.
केंद्राच्या स्मार्ट सिटी लिस्टात मडगाव ना म्हण मडगावचे एक्टिव्हिस्ट चाळवले. पणजे परस मडगाव स्मार्ट सिटी जावपाची चड गरज आशिल्ली. मडगाव पालिकेनय त्या खातीर कांयच यत्न केले ना म्हण एक्टिव्हिस्टांनी नगराध्यक्ष आनी नगरसेवकांचेर फोग काडलो. नगराध्यक्ष म्हणटा स्मार्ट मडगावाचो थाराव सरकाराक धाडिल्लो, सरकारान कानामनार घेतले ना. तो म्हणटा दक्षिण गोंयचे खासदार सावयकारान खंय कांयच केले ना.
However, this particular municipal council headed by Arthur De Silva, instead of taking a resolution to pass this proposal onto the centre, what they have done is they are more interested in passing resolutions for air conditions, changing of carpets, painting and playing football matches. This particular chairperson and this particular council have not even put forth the proposal. So why should the government at the centre even bother in giving them? And he talks in today's Herald that he has spoken to Venkaiah Naidu. Does he even know to spell his name?
Today, if Margao city has been deprived of this fantastic opportunity, I hold this council responsible, and this council has no moral right to continue in office. And I also request the people of Margao, it's time now for the people who are sleeping in the slumbers to get up and pick and choose good candidates, dedicated candidates in the forthcoming municipal polls. This Margao Municipal Council for not clearing the Khel Theatrist bill. If this chairperson can get RTI in one day, I fail to understand why this chairperson cannot convince the tourism to make this payment of these people who are depending solely for their bread and butter on this Khel Theatre. It is very disappointing that this chairperson is not at all interested in the city of Margao.
Margao je divuna smart city, this is a crime ची जाता. Actually पहिले resolution आमगे केले.
So resolution धाडले.
Yeah. About the paperwork, म्हाका दिसता मडगांव म्युनिसिपालिटी सदां पयली आसता. म्हाका दिसता अजुनूय गव्हर्मेंटान हेजेर परत एक डिसिजन घेवपाक जाय आसलें. आनी आमगे सावथ गोवाचो जेन्ना आमगे सावथ गोवाचो MP नरेंद्र सावयकर तोय एक BJPचो आसलेलो. आमी म्युनिसिपालिटीन ताका फूल सपोर्ट केल्लो कित्याक बरो मनीस म्हणून. पूण तेणें म्हाका दिसता हेजेर कितें पेज घायला काय घालूं ना सावथ गोवा बद्दल.
मडगांवच्या हॉस्पिसियोत दोतोर कमी पेशंट चड तरी पूण दोतोर 24 वरां काम करतात आनी सगळ्या पेशंटांक पळयतात म्हण नुस्तेमारी मंत्री आवेर्तान फुर्ताद उलयलो. दोतोराच्या घाळपणाक लागून कोलवेचो तरणाटो सोंपलो म्हण आरोप जाल्ल्यान आवेर्तान हॉस्पिसियोत गेल्लो. हॉस्पिटलांत सेक्युरिटीचोय प्रस्न आसा. परिस्थिती पळोवंक खंय भलायकी मंत्र्याक हॉस्पिसियोत आपयतले. मोर्गाचें कामय खंय GSIDC रोखडीच तडीक लायतली.
Doctors have their problem. There are shortage of doctors, everything. So they were putting forward their problems to me. So I told them tomorrow evening I'm getting Deputy CM, our Health Minister, and we'll sit and sort out everything. They're even having security problems. See, that incident happened that day, there was nobody to take care of. Good, nobody was manhandled. If something did happen, it would have been a big problem. So security measures also are a must for doctors because they do the best. Even in spite they are less in numbers, but still 24 hours they work here. So there should be some security for them. There is shortage, so they also understand, doctors also understand there is a shortage. They give their best. So it is not that they leave the patient and they go. They see that the patient is attended to and then they leave. Now see, Morgal GSIDC has already put up a proposal. So now very soon they take up the work to be done. And they Morg chala mate hoir mundi TB hospital. I think I body full आहे.
घेऊया एक विराम.